Hello student, how are you? Today we are going to learn sounds of animals. Cat. A cat say meow meow. Cat. A cat say meow meow. Monkey. A monkey say oof oof. Monkey. A monkey say oof oof. Dog. A dog say bark bark. Dog. A dog say bark bark. Cow. A cow say moo moo. Cow. A cow say moo moo. Cock. A cock say crow crows. Cock. A cock say crows crows. Goat. A goat say bleat. Goat. A goat say bleats bleats. Sparrow. A sparrow say chirps chirps. Sparrow. A sparrow say chirps chirps. Crow. A crow say cow cow. Crow. A crow says cow cow. Lion. A lion say roars roars. Lion. A lion says roars roars. Frog. A frog say crooks crooks. Frog. A frog say crooks crooks. Duck. A duck say quacks quacks. Duck. A duck say quacks quacks. Horse. A horse say nee nee. Horse. A horse say nee nee. Elephant. A elephant say trumps trumps. Elephant. A elephant says trumps trumps. Donkey. A donkey say brace brace. Donkey. A donkey says brace brace. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.